And hello again, this is John Lundquist from Paladin Academy, and this is lesson 3-5 in Algebra 2, graphing compound inequalities. So compound inequalities, you basically have an OR statement and an AND statement. An OR means that you have two inequalities, and it only has to satisfy one. One x has to be one inequality. One x is 2, x is greater than 4. Either this one's satisfied or that one. Whereas when you have a and inequality, you have like x is greater than -2 and x is less than 2. So it has to be like, it has to go like that, and this one goes like this. So the OR is kind of spread out like that. The AND, we call it kind of a bridge type of thing. Okay, and that's basically it. I mean, you're going to see those type of things. You can't, and I see a lot of kids or students will make a mistake and they'll do this type of thing. They'll draw, they'll do this, and you can't do that. You can't have both. You can't have both going in the same direction. Or and then some students will do this, which is kind of right, but you just have this type of thing. Okay, so don't do that or that. Do that or this type of thing. Okay, so I think you'll see it when we work on these. So let's do the first one. 6x minus 2 is greater than -38. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I get 6x is greater than -36, divided by 6, and I get x is greater than -6. So I get x is greater than -6, looks like that. And then I get 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to -19. And I'm going to minus 5 from both sides, and I get 3x is less than or equal to -24. And I divide by 3, and I get x is less than or equal to -8. There's -8, less than or equal to, I fill it in. It looks like that. One done. Okay, let's see, let's try different. I have a lot of colors to choose from. This brown, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Now we're going to get an AND statement. -28 is less than -6m minus 4. I think I'm going to put that a little bit better. So -28 is less than -6m minus 4 is less than 56. Okay. So what you have to do is you want to get m by itself, but you have to do it to three things. You have to get canceled the -4 and the -6. So I'm going to add 4 to all three statements, all three expressions here. So I get -24 is less than -6m. This cancels. This is a 4 here, and less than 60. So then I'm going to divide by -6. Divide by -6. Divide by -6. All three statements. I have to flip the inequality. I get 4. 4 is 6 goes into 24 4 times. That cancels. I get m, and this becomes -10. So I have this statement, which means m is less than 4, and m is greater than -10. So m is greater than -10 and less than 4. So it's going to be a bridge like that. See, an and statement is kind of a bridge. Okay. Last one. So let me just erase that. And let's do light blue, I guess. Okay, so you get negative, first one is negative 4, subtract 7k less than negative 3k minus 16. So I'm going to add 3k to both sides. Just do that. Negative 4 minus 4k is less than negative 16. Add 4 to both sides. I get negative 4k is less than negative 12. I divide by negative 4, and I have to flip the inequality, and I get 3. So k is greater than 3. Okay, so that's going to look like that. And then I get the other one, and that is going to look like this. We'll do it in orange, I guess. So 5k plus 6 is less than or equal to negative 10 minus 3k. Okay, k. Okay, so I'm going to add 3k to both sides. Add. So I get 8k plus 6 is less than or equal to negative 10. Subtract 6 from both sides. I get 8k less than or equal to negative 16 divided by 8. And I get k is less than or equal to minus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to, I shade it in. And I would probably be nicer looking. Well, that didn't. Okay, negative 2 shaded in. And I'm going to go that way, like that. Okay, so that's it. I think that those are, all the 3 examples, those 3 problems that you're going to see. So good luck. Pretty basic, isn't it?